Hello friends, I'm Vicky and I'm from Gaji district of Bihar, and it is my 12th video, and in this video I will show you how I practice, okay, for become a fluent English speaker. Okay. Because as I say in every video, I'm Vicky and this is Vicky. I'm from Gaji district of Bihar, but in starting I didn't say. Okay, but in this video I will show you. Okay, I have another mobile, and in this video I will show you how I practice with the help of sivi application. Do you have sivi application? Because this apps provides every day 30 minutes to talk with other free of cost. Okay, if you want to talk, then you should also try this app. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. You can see I will tap here, okay, on the blue button. Yes, someone is connecting with me. I will make you listen. Let's see who will talk to me. I'm just betting. You can see I'm finding for new learner. Okay, it will disconnected. I try for another. Okay. Yeah, it is rounding. Let's see who will talk to me, because I was thinking I will show in the video while talking. Yes, because most of the new learner use this app. Yes, it's ready. Hello, hello, hello,
Hello.
hello. Hi, Sapna.
Hi. What's your name?
By the way, my name is Vicky, but this is my sister's mobile, so I'm using her mobile for talking.
Okay. Where are you from?
By the way, I'm from Gaji district of Bihar.
Bihar. Okay.
Yes. So, what do you do?
What
What do you do?
means hello?
Uh, First of all, you tell me where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Maharashtra.
Okay, that's nice. And are you working man or you are studying? It means you are a student.
Hello. Are you student?
You are a student or something else?
Yes. Okay.
Uh, yes. Are you getting my points?
Hello.
Yes. I think you are getting shy. I think I can guess. Okay. He disconnect the call. So friends, as you see, he was sighing while talking. I think he was new learner of speaking English. So if you also new learner, then you should try this app for talking to others. Okay, because until you remove your hesitation, you will take more time and you will get hesitated. Yes, today I'm going to tell you about this app, and I have one more another apps. That name is as fluency. As fluency gives you every day 20 minutes. Okay, only and only for 20 minutes. So I don't want to say anything more. So bye friend, bye, and it is enough for today, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.